Nitrotin. I've got these skincare.
Ano mas malakas? Mas malakas kung isa o ang dito.
Clear to siya, guys.
Ano mas malakas na hangin?
Clear. So you can see it.
Tignan mo to.
Ang hangin ay maaaring pumasok at lumabas sa sugat habang humihinga ka. Kapag nangyari ito, maaaring mapuno ang espasyo sa iyong
We're gonna do our other skincare.
dahil nakita mo siya masaya na sa piling ng iba.
There, look. Only this is also here, but it's only for the forehead. So there, look at that. We got some lotion. Not really lotion, it's skincare. This is really nice because you get to kind of put it on your face. This is like my favorite. My perfume. Okay, hopefully that's enough. Guys, this is my favorite perfume. There. We are gonna use alcohol. We have powder. Not gonna use powder today, so I'm gonna show you the real face without the filter. Without the filter, here's my face of the Nitrotin. Bye guys, I'm going to sleep now because I have school tomorrow. See you in the next